feeling like a better me. I'm uplifting legacies, maintaining pedigrees. They be on that program time, I'm telepathy. Hear it over every single rhyme, that's the recipe. You ain't gotta question, he evident in messaging. What you about to do with this music thing? Abusing means blowing paradigms into smithereens. This energy is way beyond containment, contagious from my arrangement. Steady accusations from false witness arraignments. Styles hyperactive like Chuck Taylor's on Pavement. If you don't like the flow, then you can go and change it. I get it for the tribe, transcribe, leaving amazement. And hieroglyph the line like a mime with side language. I'm trying to describe my mind is not to play with. A bird will think it's fly until it spies a spaceship. The art form is tasteless, the elements are vacant. If you ain't try, then I'm sending them on vacation. If you ain't my type, then I ain't typing a statement. Cause they be extra foul and I ain't talking the flagrant. I'd rather spit some truth to this file in my attainment and crystallize a sound that watered down the ancients. This music's for the town, you won't drown with Drive Nation. I remember how the tribe had helped me bury my brother, so I wrote this down just to tell you I love you. And at the same time I had lost my baby mother. I couldn't even cry, the pain was like no other. I looked up to the sky and decided I wouldn't wonder, but rather I aspired to bring that charge and thunder. And never looking back to those who chose to act like they couldn't understand my soul was under attack. They ganged up on the Naga cause they be lying in packs. I told them I'm a dragon and I'm just stating the facts. You can feel the passion, if not your pulse is flat. I channeled concentration and gave them a dome rap. You see you freeze with hesitation, you getting your skull capped. I'm just meditating and telling the stones that this understimulation is making the clones fat. And you can't even see it, I shine to close gaps.